Hello, this is Ben Wright from Solid Gold Effects, and I'm playing through the brand new Counter Current, which is a dirty reverb pedal. It's got a drive element that affects the reverb signal and not your guitar tone going in. It's also got a feedback element that is momentary and controllable with this switch that you can hold down or release. On its own, it can be a really cool, darker, and maybe more sort of deep reverb than the Surfrider. But then when you crank up some of the drive and feedback elements here, you start to hear that it creates some very unique and cool textures underneath what you're playing. And then with the feedback switch, you can really get some nice stuff happening. So that's the Counter Current from Solid Gold Effects.